This Ninja QB900B Master Prep Food Processor Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to handle a range of blending and chopping tasks with ease. Whether you're preparing smoothies, salsas, or frozen desserts, this Ninja Master Prep offers powerful performance and convenient features to simplify your kitchen routine. Here's a detailed review of this innovative blender and food processor. At the heart of the Ninja Food Processor Blender is a 400-watt motor that delivers robust blending and processing power. This motor is more than capable of transforming ice cubes into smooth, creamy frozen drinks and desserts. Whether you're blending up a batch of frozen margaritas or chopping vegetables for a salsa, the powerful motor ensures consistent results every time. One of the standout features of the Food Processor Blender is its Ninja Quad Blade technology. This unique blade design provides uniform cutting and ice-crushing action, making it ideal for various food preparation tasks. The four blades work together to chop, blend, and puree ingredients efficiently, ensuring a smooth and consistent texture without any soggy results. The Food Processor Blender comes with two main attachments, the 48-ounce Master Prep pitcher and the 2-cup Master Prep bowl. These attachments are designed to handle different types of food processing and blending tasks. 48-ounce Master Prep pitcher, perfect for making large batches of smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. The pitcher's easy flip pour spout and no-slip bottom help minimize spillage and provide a hassle-free pouring experience. The large capacity is ideal for families or entertaining guests. 2-cup Master Prep bowl, ideal for processing smaller quantities of fresh ingredients. Use this bowl to chop, dice, and mince ingredients for salads, salsas, dips, and more. The bowl's compact size is perfect for smaller tasks and quick food prep. One of the most convenient features of the Ninja Food Processor Blender is its interchangeable Master Pot. This design allows you to easily switch between the Master Prep pitcher and Master Prep bowl with just a simple step. Whether you need to make a smoothie or chop vegetables, the interchangeable motor head adapts to your needs, making food preparation effortless. The Ninja Food Processor Blender is designed with user convenience in mind. Its ergonomic construction and one-touch pulsing make it easy to control and operate. The motor base features non-slip feet, ensuring stability during use. Additionally, the blender's components, including the pitcher and bowl, are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. To keep your creations fresh and long-lasting, the Food Processor Blender includes storage lids for both the pitcher and the bowl. These lids help preserve the freshness of your food and make it easy to store leftovers. The blender also comes with splash guards to prevent messes during use. Cleaning up after use is simple with the Ninja Food Processor Blender. All attachments, except for the motor base, are top-rack dishwasher safe. Exercise care when handling the blade assemblies, as they are sharp. The Easy Clean feature helps reduce the time and effort needed for maintenance, so you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time cleaning up. Conclusion: the Ninja Master Prep Food Processor Blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance that excels in both blending and food processing. With its 400-watt motor, Ninja Quad Blade technology, and interchangeable attachments, it offers convenience and efficiency for a variety of culinary tasks. Whether you're preparing smoothies, chopping vegetables, or making frozen treats, this blender and food processor combo provides consistent results and user-friendly operation. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile kitchen tool, the Ninja Food Processor Blender Master Prep is a great choice that delivers on both performance and convenience. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.